Hey, lucrative family! Want to create your own talking avatar in minutes? All in one place and totally free. No more juggling apps. Just one powerful tool to design, animate, and add lip sync fast.
Welcome to Lucrative Hustles, the channel where I show you how to use free AI tools to create smart online income streams. So if you're serious about turning your phone into a money machine, do well to hit that subscribe button.
The name of this platform is called idra.com. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description for easy accessibility, right? Once you click on the link, you're just going to sign up with your Gmail and you see yourself in this interface. Once you are here, click on this aspect ratio for you to choose the aspect ratio you want to generate your video or your image in. After that, click on this plus character for us to start creating our avatar. You click on the plus sign, it's going to display this. It says create image, capture image, or upload image. As I earlier said, I want to use this platform to create everything concerning our character. For that reason, I'm just going to click on create image. Once I click on create image, it's going to ask me to describe the image. I'm just going to paste in the prompt I want to generate my image in. I'll also be leaving the prompt in the description, so grab it there if you want it, okay? After putting my prompt, I just click on this arrow and our image is generating, okay? So it's going to take some few minutes or seconds, depend on your internet connection. This is really stunning. My image is done generated. This is really stunning, right? This is exactly the prompt I put in, and I'm seeing everything that I put in my prompt. If you like this image, just press hold it and click on download, okay? So if you don't want to regenerate this image, click on this add to video so that we can start creating our avatar. This plus sign here that says script, click on it. Here you can generate speech, you can record, or you can upload audio. I'll be going with the generate speech option. Let me hear how the voicing sounds. So once I click on it, it's going to bring me here for me to paste my script. That is what I want my avatar to say. So after pasting it, I'm just going to click on these voices. Let me check the voice that really suits this script, okay? I really love how Alice's voice sounds. I'm just going to use Alice. I'll click on Alice. I'll click on add to video so that the voice can be added to our video, okay? So here it said prompt your character with emotions and gesture. So I'm just going to type it something like make her hands and body moves naturally. The gesture should be natural. So I'm just going to click on this arrow for this tool to generate our avatar for us. If you are yet to like this video, this is the best time for you to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are yet not to subscribe, because that really encouraged me for me to bring value content like this just for you. So as you can see, our avatar is already generating, and it's going to take some few minutes before it can generate for us, okay? But if you're on the pro version, it's really pretty fast. Because we are on the free version, it's going to take a couple of minutes, okay? And one thing I love about this tool is this: even though you are using the free version, your videos do not come with watermark. It's actually watermark free. So that is one of the reasons I really love this tool. So our video is not generating. Just scroll up and press all the video, and you're just going to press on download, and your video will be downloaded to your device. That was how I was able to create the video you just watched in the intro of this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and share for other people to learn. Want to learn how to make money with the avatar we just created? Click on the next video showing up on your screen, and I will see you on the other side.